Hi guys, I am Gunjan Gupta, the instructor of this Selenium automation testing course. Let's start with Selenium introduction. So Selenium is an open source automation testing tool. It means you can just download Selenium jar from official website and you can start working on it. Selenium is not paid tool, so everyone can just download it and can start automating the test case. This is the best and main characteristic feature of this automation tool. So now many companies want to start automation, then they are using Selenium. It is used for web-based application, but if you are there's any new non-based web-based application, then this is not a right tool because Selenium automate anything that renders on a web browser. Application may be designed in any of the technologies, but the application should render on browser. So now we have like it supports multiple operating system, multiple browsers and multiple programming languages. So the one main advantage like about like you can automate in different operating system. So it may be Linux, it may be Windows, it may be Mac. You can automate it. And like for the programming languages, one main advantage is that every programming language you know, any programming language you can use it knowledge and write code. Like if you know Java, then you can write your test cases in Java. And for the browser support, one main advantage is that every browser you can use same Selenium code, just you have to change the browser name. So in the last, I just want to tell you the official Selenium website is seleniumhq.org. Okay, so this is the Selenium introduction. Just I want to say thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe and share my video. Bye bye.